might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore delicious and healthy recipes. Today we're making a grilled chicken salad that's not only tasty but also perfect for your diet. Let's get started. For our salad, we'll need some grilled chicken breast, a mix of fresh greens like spinach, arugula, and romaine, some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions. And to top it all off, a light and tangy vinaigrette dressing. Grilled chicken is a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Pairing it with a variety of greens boosts the fiber content, which helps keep you full and satisfied. Start by grilling your chicken breast until it's nicely charred and juicy. You want to make sure it's cooked through but still tender. While our chicken rests, let's prepare our salad base. Grab your greens and give them a good wash and chop. Then, slice up the cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions into bite-sized pieces. Toss all your veggies into a large salad bowl. Once the chicken is ready, slice it into strips and lay it beautifully on top of your greens. For the vinaigrette, mix together some olive oil, vinegar, a little mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. It's simple but so effective. Drizzle it over your salad and give everything a gentle toss to combine. And there you have it, a delicious grilled chicken salad that's perfect for a healthy lunch or a light dinner. It's low in carbohydrates, high in protein, and packed with nutrients. That's so good. The freshness of the vegetables paired with the savory chicken and that zing from the vinaigrette, it's a match made in heaven. Thanks for watching. If you tried this recipe, let us know in the comments below how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time.